the hottest products in our company. This is NG500. Oh, you can see there 500 times 500. As you can see, I can lift this product really easy. So you can see the weight is only 7.5 kilograms. And you can measure the thickness. The thickness is only 80 millimeters. So you don't have to worry about it with this weight and the thickness. You can carry it or install it in a really short time. So it's gonna save your time and money. Okay, now let's see the structure of this product. You can see there are handles and side handles, and these are the locks. Here we got a power supply and receiving card. So these are the structure of these products, and if you want to know more details about these products, check my profile for more details. Why am I going to introduce and recommend this product to you? Because one of the greatest advantage about this product is that it supports right angle. So if you got any special shaped buildings or some other scenarios, this product is gonna help you succeed. And after that, you may worry it supports front maintenance or back maintenance. Okay, I will tell you, it supports both. So you don't have to worry about the scenarios or some conditions after you bought these products. So it supports front and back maintenance. So it's gonna save your later labor cost or installation cost. What's more, this product is also waterproof. It reached the IP65 waterproof level, so you don't have to worry about it. And if you purchase this product, we got 3-year warranty for you and 5% spare parts. Okay, so much for this video, and as I mentioned before, if you want to know more details about this product, feel free to contact me. Okay, bye!